There is much to do. Speak quickly. We have only a few moments alone. There are things about my kingdom that you must know. Zandala is beset by enemies, both within and without. This is why I went seeking the Horde, and why I call upon you, one of its greatest heroes. Blood trolls surge across our northern border. They drag our people off to the swamps of Nazmir, never to be seen again. Meanwhile, there's Enchuli Council. Ugh, scheming politicians and decrepit old tusks dismisses this threat. They convince my father that nothing need be done.
Princess, what do you want? When you left, you told your father you were going exploring, not negotiating with mongrels from the Horde.
Know this. Father is set in his ways, but he is most observant. I would wager he already knows of your role in freeing me from Stormwind. Just show respect and let him do the talking. And hopefully he will not throw you off the pyramid. Times change, and so must...
My king, the Horde has only come to steal our Nearville for their undead war chief.
This champion defied the might of Stormwind to save Zul and me. Such bravery merits an audience, father.
Enough! I will decide what to do with this outsider. Jacrazet speaks true. You seek our fleet's might against the Alliance. But my daughter is right as well. Rescuing her showed great courage, a trait I admire. Kalanji worries that I do not see our true enemies. Know that I am not as blind as she fears. Let us see if the Horde can prove its worth to Zandala. Let them stay in the Great Seal as my guests. For now.
Only the Zandalari may walk those sacred halls. The law states.
The law is what I say it is, for so long as I am king. The eyes of the kingdom rest upon you, champion. This day, I name you Speaker of the Horde. Be you predator or prey, Rezan grant you strength.
I am listening. I was able to arrange for your companions to be flown here without General Jacrazet interfering. You need only signal them. Come, hero. Let me show you around. It is said that the Great Seal is one of the only things still standing that is older than the Zandalari Empire. My father keeps many of his
Princess
treasures
Talanji
here
was kind
in the
enough to
royal
inform us
vault.
of an old portal network we might be able to tap into.
You can find your Nightborn friend in the Hall of Ancient Paths.
Why, hello.
Come see me when you are done looking around.
Oculus, see what you can do with the portal system here. We will need supply lines to the Horde capitals. Champion, you seem to be on the right track for gaining the trust of the Zandalari. I must attend to my other duties. Good luck.
Zandalar forever. I will do whatever I must to keep my people safe. Zandalar will endure.
Speaker of the Horde.
I am listening. Do you have a death wish? The General has eyes and ears everywhere. Jack Rosette wants this one dead.
Greetings. Why do you ask such questions? Are you trying to get sent to the Sands? Zandalar, I do not ask questions. I follow orders. It would be wise for you to do the same.
Lakuzet wants this one dead!
Yes, you. Are you the one that's been asking around about the General? Walk with me, but let's try to avoid drawing any attention. Warguard Rakira was my commander, the best one this city has ever seen. She told me she was close to proving that General Jacrezet is a traitor to the crown, but I haven't heard from her since. Whatever she uncovered was enough to earn her a trip to the desert. The dunes are a death sentence. I will not stand by and let Rakira be swallowed by the sands. As you can see, there are still some of us who believe the same. Yes? Go carefully. We'll ride when you're ready, but let's not waste time. Rakira won't last long in the sands. We need to travel to the swamp. As long as we stay in the air and out of sight, we shouldn't have too much trouble.
Kaja beneath us! What are those things?
Let's keep flying and hope we don't find out. Up ahead! I see the pass. Fly low and keep an eye out for any sign of Rakira.
Kaja, We should adjust course. We're nearing the Sethrak Empire.
The Serpent Men? I thought they hid mostly beneath the dunes.
It appears their presence has grown.
So it has. Let's head west and avoid any unnecessary conflict.
It might be too late for that.
We need to speed things up. The king has nosy visitors. That could pose a problem.
You do your parts, General, and I will do mine.
Trespassers!
You will die in these dunes.
Everyone, break ranks! Make your way to safety! Get as far from these snakes as you can!
Today is a good day to fight. Every day is. Nice choice. I can work with that. I'm ready. Let's hunt some Sethrak. Make them fear you. Look what the Sethrak have done to our home. Now the Sethrak will know to fear the Vol'Dun. The Vol'Dun are anything but weak. They fear us. We weren't prepared for their attack. The Sethrak slaughter and enslave without remorse. We travel in caravans, scavenging for supplies and trading where we can.
We will not be stopped.
For the glory of the Sethrak. That the Sethrak would come for us soon enough. We could have been prepared. Maybe now he'll finally listen. These Sethrak will pay for what they've done to our home. I hope the others made it to safety. Vol'Dun are stronger than we look. Leave some Sethrak for me.
You cannot stop the storm.
cannot stop the faithless Empire! You cannot stop!
My people will be free. Winds at your back, swords in your hands. Right where I left it. Hang on! This is gonna be a wild ride. Looks like we have company. Light 'em up! I think we're in the clear. Great work back there. The hideaway should be up ahead. We'll be safe there. For a while, at least.
Nisha, thank the sands you're safe.
I always find a way. Is this another survivor?
She may not survive for long. Her wounds are severe. We go where the sands take us.
I know these dunes better than anyone.
Hi there. One day at a time, friend.
Got anything for me?
it's too far away.
Have you come to trade?
Oh, hi! It's never safe to travel alone.
The dunes have everything we need.
Hero, is that you? Where are we? Speak quickly. Zandalar will endure.
Speak freely. The sands.
Dolly likes you. I can tell.
I write this as I sit in a cage with a dozen other exiles, traveling to the sands where we will live out our days, however numbered they may be. The air, heavy with heat, tells me we're close.
Do you have any news?
What did you bring me?
Like sand, you will be scattered and forgotten. We will eradicate you like insects.
Will not be stopped. Our empire's dawn is your extinction. The sands will
I'm free to go. No deal to be made? You are different than most.
I'm out.
Like sand, you will be scattered and forgotten.
I will repay this debt. You have my word. Have you come to trade? Take care of yourself. No one else will.
Do you have any news? One day at a time, friend.
The sun has set across the dunes, providing some relief from the heat that has made many delirious. In a sun-stricken stupor, one among us began rambling about a temple to the south that welcomes exiles. I doubt he will make it through the night. Assassins, sent by Jack Rosette, attacked our camp in the middle of the night. Unarmed and befuddled by sleep, we were unable to defend ourselves. I fought off the traitors, but it was too late. The survivors had scattered. each now forced to navigate this unforgiving terrain alone. I won't survive much longer without food or water. After traveling in circles for most of the day, I decided my only option was to follow the advice of a rambling madman and head south toward the promise of shelter.
What can I do for you? The sands are fate no one deserves.
Have you come to trade?
We go
Mira,
with...
ready the wagon and be prepared to pick up supplies at the port. Our new allies can ride along.
Zandalar will endure.
I can
Time
help.
to put Nisha's plans
Hey,
safe, Mira.
don't die out
Our
there.
wagons don't always do well on the ancient troll roads.
I always am. Hero's got no reason to worry. I've had plenty of practice. But you might want to hold on, just in case. You keep an eye out for your friend. I'll keep my eyes on the road.